Hey guys, here's the second Hacienda that I got from two fans off of Marketplace for $30, which was a really good deal. Here's the second one right there. This one has an extremely long down rod. This one was definitely installed in like a great room or a living room or something. Yeah, this one doesn't have a light. I like the look of these without the light because it looks really cool. Because I love that little badge right there. And I don't know if you can tell, but the motor housing is a bit tilted. I am going to fix that. And the reversing switch is broken, which I mentioned in the other video. But the reason I thought I had to replace it, but I just threw it up here just to see if it would still work. I do have the little reverse switch thing that goes in there, the little black part, like this part. I do have that part, and I use it if I want to reverse it. I just keep it in a little baggie. But yeah. So I think it's in like oak. This one, you can definitely tell that this one's darker because it wasn't sun faded. And there's a top. This one is, I think, like 1 or 2 weeks older than the second one. So it's probably like from like early September of 1986. So, but yeah. Turn on to low. Have to duck down with this one. And with these fans being so slow, they really push the air. Like, they're almost like as good as like my Casablancas, because the blade pitch is just so steep, if you can see that. And yeah, some of the blades are out of whack because the lady had the blades on, had it on its blades whenever I got it, so they're probably all banged up. But I am not bending those back because those snap very easily, and I don't want to break one of them. I'm gonna cut that down rod, but I just have it up like this for the video. It does have a bit of a wobble already. It gets much worse. I'll move up to medium. This is where the wobble starts to really come in. It's like scary, dangerous, but I have pull chain dances, but it has like that like wobble that you'd always see in like a restaurant or something. And it does squeak a little bit, I hear it already. And the bearings are a bit better on this one, but they're still noisy, but they're not that bad. They're blowing a ton of air. And I can put my head under this, but I'm not going to do that while like standing on my flat feet. I'm 5'5" and I can fit under this, but if I was like an inch taller, no, I would hit my head on it. But I'm still not going to do that because it'll hurt. But this one is a bit more hummy than the other one. Now we'll move to high. Still does go. I don't know, it's rattling though. I think it's the motor housing probably. Oh, what's that sound? Oh, that's just the ball up there. But yeah, it does squeak. That's annoying though. That blows great air. Turn off. So yeah, that is a 52-inch Nutone Hacienda ceiling fan, second one. So yeah, that's it. Bye.